guys, I'm Nina. This is our electric football bike H1 and it has big tire, bright yellow colors and it costs 25 km/h and has very attractive price. So let's get started. Okay, so before I explain to you how to use the electric bike H1, let me show you its package and see what's inside. Let's go on. Dun, 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 dun. This is the electric bike H1. Now I open it. Wow, we can see the most of accelerators at first. The first one you can see big boss, and I want to cut it and open. This is the H1C. Pedal, and another small box is the small accelerators box. Range, bike key, battery key, charger, manual. I need to get some help to get the bike out of the box, but don't worry, it is very light. Its weight only 22 kilograms, and it is pretty easy to install and take less than 5 minutes to assemble yourself. Let me show you now. Okay, this is the whole H1 foldable e-bike quickly installation, and its design is very simple and clean. This port like lightning is pretty beautiful. It used the baking varnish process, not easy to fade. And the overall appearance is like an athlete start to run, and you can also choose the color what you want. H1 has yellow, white, and black color. Now I'm going up on the yellow H1. Oh, I really can't wait to ride. Okay. Now we are the outside, and this is the bike key. Open. And you can see this LED screen will show the current speed and the battery power and the speed mode. And H1 e-bike has 3 speed mode for you choose. This button can adjust the speed you want. The first speed is 50 km per hour, and the second speed is 20 km per hour. And you can see the LED screen will show the white speed. And our max speed is 25 km per hour, and the LED screen will show the red speed. And we also have the front light and rear light control button. Open it and turn off. And we also have the 2 brake and the owner. You can listen, it's very clearly. And now I choose the max speed, and here we go. Now I ride with full electric mode, and the speed is 25 km per hour. It's really easy to ride. You fit full speed basically instantly, and the max pure electric range is 35 km. And I'm riding on the street. I think I'm very cool because many people are attracted by H1. You know, H1 bright yellow color makes you feel useful and energetic. H1 also has assistant mode. That means when you ride by your feet, the motor will detect your speed and output the different powers, so you can ride very easily. Our motor power is 250 watts, and in the assistant mode, you can go max range is 75 km per hour. It can go very fast. If you are energetic or want to exercise yourself, you also can use your left power to ride it. Don't use any electric power. I know the road in many countries and not very smooth and even very steep, but don't worry. To show this problem, our H1 has 3 special designs to make you feel very comfortable when you're riding. And the first one is our leather waterproof seat, and it can be removed and turned forward. You can adjust the position what you want, and you can see under the seats we have 2 small springs to adjust, and the seat too also have a soft absorption to adjust this. The second is our electric bike H1. It has the big spring in here. This is our big spring, and it has 750 pounds. Very flexible to adjust when you feel bump up and down during the riding. And the third is our big tire. We use the 40-inch big tire to let you feel comfortable when you're riding. I feel very comfortable when I ride on the state road. Of course, to display also make sure your safety. Now comes the exciting part, And I will show you the electric bike H1, the most special design. Dun is our battery, and this is also our most customer want to know whether our H1 e-bike can be removed. Yes, of course it can, and let me show you. We have mechanical lock for battery safety. This is also the biggest difference between the H1 e-bike and removable battery scooter. You don't need to worry about the battery being stolen. Now, open the key, take out the battery. That means you can replace a new one when you're riding but battery no power. Put it in. It's very easy. Our battery capacity is 10 Ah. Okay, the last problem already showed, and some customer always ask us, and he wants to the bigger motor power and the faster speed. How to do? Don't worry. Good news. We already released the upgrade version of H1. H1 Max. It has the bigger motor power, 400 watts, and faster speed. Its max speed can be reached 35 km/h. And if you want to know more detail, please contact me.